Welcome to Pyresearch channel. In this video we will show you Python project on color detection. About the Python project. In this color detection Python project, we are going to build an application through which you can automatically get the name of the color by clicking on them. So for this, we will have a data file that contains the color name and its values. Then we will calculate the distance from each color and find the shortest one. Before starting with this Python project with source code, you should be familiar with the computer vision library of Python, that is OpenCV and Pandas. Run Python file. The beginner Python project is now complete. You can run the Python file from the command prompt. Make sure to give an image path using I argument. If the image is in another directory, then you need to give full path of the image. Double-click on the window to know the name of the pixel color. What is color detection? Color detection is the process of detecting the name of any color. Simple, isn't it? Well, for humans this is an extremely easy task, but for computers, it is not straightforward. Human eyes and brains work together to translate light into color. Light receptors that are present in our eyes transmit the signal to the brain. Our brain then recognizes the color. Since childhood, we have mapped certain lights with their color names. We will be using the somewhat same strategy to detect color names. The dataset. Colors are made up of three primary colors: red, green, and blue. In computers, we define each color value within a range of 0 to 255. So in how many ways we can define a color? The answer is 256 times 256 times 256 equals 16,581,375. There are approximately 16.5 million different ways to represent a color. In our dataset, we need to map each color's values with their corresponding names. But don't worry, we don't need to map all the values. We will be using a dataset that contains RGB values with their corresponding names. The CSV file for our dataset has been taken from this GitHub. The colors.csv file includes 865 color names along with their RGB and hex values. Please let me know your valuable feedback on the video by means of comments. Please like and share the video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more educational videos. Any type of problem you can comment down.